Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Salsabila Najma. I'm a member of Group 3 from 10 times 1 that also includes Shakira, Quinara, Naura, and Hania. I'm here to read you a report text about the earthquake in Banten. So before we get into the actual news about the earthquake, I'm gonna read you the definition of an earthquake. So, an earthquake is the sudden movement or trembling of the Earth's tectonic plates that creates the shakes of the ground. This shaking can destroy buildings and break the Earth's surface. In the year of 2022, there was an earthquake in Banten. This incident occurred at 4 p.m. with a magnitude of 6.6. The 2022 earthquake caused damage to various buildings. Damage to the houses due to the earthquake in Padagang, Banten has reached 2,556 units.
The damaged houses were spread over 172 villages in 30 sub-districts, and the number of public facilities that were damaged was 62 schools, 17 health centers, and 15 mosques. To anticipate if at any time aftershocks occur, the Ministry of Social Affairs has prepared tents near heavily damaged houses. That's all from us. Thank you very much for your attention. Please forgive us if we made mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.